Good day, kids. So today we will have a very short reading tutorial. So let us start. We have here the An family. N, An. B, An, B, An, ban. V, An, van. K, An, can. M, An, man. D, An, done. An, fan. An, pan. T, an, tan. V, an, van. R, an, run. Okay, let's read again together. Ban, van, can, man, done, fan, pan, tan, van, run. Okay, you read it alone. Okay, well done. Now let's proceed to the phrases. A man with a fan. So we have here sight words. Let's read the sight words first. A, with, in, and. A, with, in, and. The. Okay, a man with a fan. A man with a fan. Pan in a van. Pan in a van. A can and a pan. A can and a pan. Dan and the man. Dan and the man. Okay, kindly read the phrases. Okay, very good. Now we have here sentences. We will try to read together. The fan is in the van. The fan is in the van. Don has the pan and the can. Don has the pan and the can. The man has fun. The man has fan. The man ran after the van. So we have here another sight word, after. So this is read as after. The man ran after the van. Okay, we have here a short paragraph. Let's try to read it together. Dan's van. Dan's van. Dan is a man. He has a van. In the van are pans and cans. He gets the pans and the cans in the van. Okay, try to read it. Okay, very good. Well done. Once again, this is teacher Yumi saying thank you and God bless.